Millionaire Mindset. 5 Money Rules That Changed My Life. It includes a powerful intro detailed breakdown of 5 impactful money rules, and a motivating outro with a like and subscribe call, completely without emojis. Welcome to the channel that brings you real strategies for building wealth, mastering money, and transforming your life. In this video, we're diving deep into the millionaire mindset and the exact money rules that changed my life. So if you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building wealth, this video is for you. Stay with me as I share the 5 money rules that completely transformed my financial future. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. No matter what, before I paid my bills, bought groceries, or did anything else, I started saving a fixed percentage of my income. This rule alone changed the game for me. It flipped the script, from saving what's left, to making saving my top priority. This rule helped me build an emergency fund, invest, and create financial security. It taught me that the first person who deserves my money is future me. Rule 2. Never rely on one income stream, one job, one paycheck, one source of money. It's risky. I learned that financial freedom requires multiple streams of income. That could be freelance work, online businesses, real estate, dividends, or side hustles. Even if one stream dries up, the others keep flowing. The wealthiest people in the world rarely depend on a single source of income. It wasn't overnight, but each step added a layer of stability and growth. Rule 3. Buy assets, not liabilities. Early in life, I used to buy things that looked rich instead of things that made me rich. Cars, gadgets, clothes, they all drained my money but added no value over time. The millionaire mindset taught me to shift focus to assets. Assets are things that grow in value or generate income. Stocks, real estate, businesses, intellectual property, these are wealth building tools. Liabilities are the opposite, they take money out of your pocket. Rule 4. Delay gratification and master discipline. Most people go broke trying to look rich. They want everything now, instant satisfaction, fast results, quick pleasures. But millionaires think long-term. I learned to say no to short-term temptations in order to say yes to long-term rewards. That meant budgeting, planning, and resisting emotional spending. It wasn't easy, but it built incredible strength and clarity. And the results were worth it every single time. Rule 5. Surround yourself with the right people. Your mindset is shaped by the people around you. If you spend time with 5 broke, negative, or financially careless people, you'll likely become the 6th. So I became intentional about who I learned from and who I spent time with. These 5 rules didn't just improve my finances, they changed my life. They helped me break free from scarcity and step into abundance. But here's the truth, these rules only work if you apply them. The rest follows with persistence, learning, and daily action. If this video inspired you or gave you a new perspective, make sure to like it to support our channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on money, mindset, and building a life of financial independence. We're here every week sharing practical tools to help you live smarter, grow faster, and break free from financial limits. Join our community of action takers, dreamers, and future millionaires. And remember, success isn't about how much you make. It's about how you think, how you act, and how you use what you have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building your future with purpose and power. Stay focused, stay driven, and keep living by the millionaire mindset. Let me know if you want this adapted into a YouTube video format with slide suggestions, voiceover script cues, or summarized into a blog.